Welcome to the Costa Brava. Today we are showing this stunning 3-floor house located in Platja, just 7 minutes from the beaches and the town center. This house is built in 2010 and renovated in 2019. This spacious property offers 409 square meters based on a 1,600 square meters plot. Let's go inside. On the main floor, we have this spacious living room with amazing and stunning mountain views and with a fireplace. We follow and we have a completely equipped kitchen with a balcony, and also we have the mountain views, spacious and modern. On the main floor, we also find a toilet perfect for the guests and for going directly to the swimming pool, to the toilet. Let's go up. Now we are on the first floor and we have 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. All of them are master bedrooms with amazing mountain views as well and built-in wardrobes. It also has a toilet for the room. We have a toilet for this also double bedroom. As you can see, also has a balcony and also has the mountain views. We find the 3rd bedroom as well. It's a double bedroom with wardrobes and direct access to the terrace. And now we are in the master bedroom, which has amazing and stunning mountain views, also with a balcony, swimming pool views, and it also has a double bathroom with a bath. As you can see, this property is very private, comfort and modern. Now we are going to see the lower floor, which it has a lot of surprises. Let's go. Upper floor, and we found a spacious and big game room, which also has a cinema place for playing music, storage room, which we have 3 places for storage. Here we have the laundry place, an area for the machines, and also we also have this game area, which you have direct access to the swimming pool. And at the end of the room, we have also a wine cellar. Let's go to the pool. Here we are again. This is the property. It's perfect for having a lot of privacy, comfort in a modern, new built house. So please don't hesitate to contact us for more information.